Okay, so the one of the ones I chose was Classroom Screen. I think this is a super useful application that's extremely easy to access. You don't even need an account to use it. If you make an account, there's a few things you can save. Obviously, if you pay, you get more, but the free version is, I think, still very useful for class. So here's the home screen. You have screens you can choose from. This is just going to save your background. It's not going to save very much because it is the free version. But so you have various screens, and I can show you how to change those. But some of the really cool things is you can put in name lists. So these are just name lists I just made for an example, but you can just create name lists really quick and take your roster, copy the names in, and you can have each period if you teach multiple periods or if you just teach one. And you can use that for a bunch of different things. So if we go to this screen here, for example, that name list, maybe use popsicle sticks or something, but this can make it a little easier with updating class rosters and whatnot. So you just go in and you choose your class. You can put on sounds and different things, but it's super easy at choosing students' names. Then when you want to clear the list, you can do that, and you can hide that so it's not there. And so just a nice random name generator. Another really cool thing about this is just the ease of different things. You have a timer, very easy. Traffic light, if you're doing like no phones or phone screen time, very easy to switch from like no tech time or tech time. You can add images. So some things I will do is, as a U.S. history teacher, will add like an image from in history, and I'll have directions for them to source the image or to discuss as a class. Another really unique one is polls. So you can create a poll. You just select the type. You can type in the question and whatnot, and it's really easy for them to go and vote on the polls. So they'll just go to this website and they'll enter in this code. You can even put up a QR code for them to scan super quick. So it's just I think it's very easy. It streamlines a lot of typical things. For another example is if you do have QR codes you want to put on the screen, this is an easy place to do it. So you'll just put the URL there and it'll create the QR code for you. Same thing with embedding information. I think there's just a lot that can be done, and the nice part about it is you can change the background to whatever you want. You can put up text. A lot of times I'll put my directions for a certain period, so they're always up there. I can adjust and edit them as we go if needed. Like if we're doing a bell ringer when students walk in, this is a super easy way to put it up on the screen, put up what is needed, have a timer, and it's just ready to go. And it's there. You can edit it. You can put it away and bring it back out. You can draw on this. I just find it a very useful tool. And there's a lot of things that you can do for being free. I think it's a very useful tool.